I highlighted to both the First Minister and yourself last year the ongoing and terrible experiences of women fitted with mesh implants, and I asked what conversations have happened with the Westminster Government around the response to the Hughes report, which called for compensation to be paid to those women whose lives, in Dr Hughes's view, had been unjustly destroyed. It's disappointing that thousands of women, including some of my constituents, who received mesh implants to treat incontinence and pelvic organ prolapse have been left in permanent pain, have had to endure multiple procedures, are unable to walk, work or have sex. Women who have suffered so much harm are still waiting for action on this. You told me in response to my question last year that the government is considering the recommendations from the report and working closely with colleagues in UK government. Well, Minister, it's over a year since the Hughes report was published and 6 months since I asked my questions, but we've heard nothing from the UK Labour government, and nor have we had an official Welsh Government response to the report. So when can we expect that to be made? When will this terrible injustice, which has been called the most serious women's health scandal since thalidomide, be fully addressed? Diolch.
Making sure women's voices are heard in every interaction they have with the NHS is a key aspect of the Women's Health Plan and will ensure that women's concerns are taken seriously and not dismissed. And then we have also launched the People's Experience Framework in April to fully integrate the experience of people receiving healthcare in Wales. But that is doing the bare minimum of what we should be doing to ensure that these things don't happen again. I did also want to highlight, though, that the use of pelvic mesh in the treatment of stress, urinary incontinence and prolapse has decreased in Wales since we introduced a high vigilance restriction on procedures in 2018 until a range of measures could be put in place to ensure its safe use.